Hello, welcome to the Excel recording for Lecture 7. We're going to quickly run through how you can do benefit cost analysis in Excel. So we have a set of 5 alternatives here, just giving you the benefits and giving you the costs. Normally we would, or not necessarily normally, but sometimes you would have to use the time value of money equations from previous lectures to calculate the benefits and the costs, but you guys should know how to do that by now, so you should be able to get any problem into this format. So the first thing we're going to do is first calculate the benefit cost ratios, and then we're going to use benefit cost analysis to select an alternative. So first we're going to do the benefit cost ratio, make a column here, and simply do equals benefits divided by cost. So benefits divided by cost. So this has a ratio of 2.4667, and then we've got to drag the formula down. We have all of these ratios. So all of these projects are viable, right? They have a higher return on investment, so the benefit cost ratio is greater than 1. We can also see that alternative A and alternative E, A dominates E, right? There's $600 for benefits of E at a cost of $325, but you can get $740 of benefits at a cost of $300. So when we do alternative selection, we can eliminate E. Let's go ahead and find the... Alright, let's go ahead and make this red, right? It's eliminated. We're not even going to look at E. So the next thing we want to do is, find which alternative is the best. And it's not necessarily the one with the highest benefit to cost ratio, right? That doesn't necessarily mean you're going to get the most money. That means you're getting the most return on your investment. So if you could perform alternative D 10 times or get the costs up to the same costs as some of the other alternatives, then you would definitely choose this one. But since the cost and returns are different, you're not necessarily getting the most money back. You're just getting the highest return on your investment. So you would be able to spend additional money if you had some. So let's go ahead and copy and paste this here. And we want to sort this by costs in an increasing way. So let's go ahead and do a sort by costs from smallest to largest. Make sure you have all of it selected, and you can see it has reordered our alternatives from the original thing to in order of increasing costs. So now we want to go ahead and set aside a spot to compare them. So we've got our comparisons here. We start by comparing A to D, right? We're going to have a column for difference in benefits, column for difference in costs, and then incremental B over C ratio. Alright, so to compare A to D, we first calculate differences in benefits. So this minus this. Remember, differences in benefits, you're taking the second one and comparing it to the first one. A to D is going to be A minus D, right? So again, difference in costs, same order. Go ahead and put that there. And the incremental benefits cost ratio is now the difference in benefits divided by the difference in costs. This is greater than 1, so it is greater than 1, and because of that we eliminate D. This is based on the rules that we learned in our lecture. So we're going to go ahead and highlight this and eliminate alternative D. So now we compare B to A, difference in benefits, this minus this, and then can do equals this minus this. All right, go ahead and drag that formula down. We've got a B over C ratio less than 1. So because this is less than 1, we are eliminating B, right? If the thing is less than 1, you eliminate the first thing in this, and if it's greater than 1, you eliminate the second one. So go ahead and eliminate B. And then let's do C to A. So equals this minus this, benefit of C minus benefit of A, cost of C minus cost of A, drag that down again. It's greater than 1, so we eliminate A. That leaves us with alternative C is the one that we would recommend you go ahead with. Now you'll notice alternative C has a BC ratio of 2, right? And that is the third highest of the remaining projects available. So that means that you cannot just select projects based on the benefit cost ratio. So if you want to end up at the correct project alternative selection using benefit cost ratios, you have to go through this process. Thank you, everybody, and we will see you next week.